I was just a nobody till he made me somebody. I was lost, floating on, going nowhere without a cause. Now I can tell everybody in this same old body the kind of life you can live, victory you can have in here. 'Cause he knew me before there ever was a me, and he loved me before I came to believe that I was chosen for something greater in he. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. I went from broke down, busted, dying on the inside, lonely, hopeless, couldn't figure out why. And one day I realized why. He wanted me to be strong, be filled, living on the inside, showed me love that every time that I cried, he could be more than enough. 'Cause he knew me before there ever was a me, and he loved me before I came to believe that I was chosen for something greater. I was chosen for something greater. You were chosen for something